All right, students. So today I am here to talk about what to expect in your upcoming examination of NEET. See, NEET has been showing a clear pattern of questions which are highly conceptual, and therefore your practice of concepts has to be very, very strong. Just by doing a large number of numericals, you will not be able to get good grip on the concept. The strategy for NEET of doing a lot of questions is definitely a winner. But I think a better strategy for NEET examination will be if you do more conceptual questions. So my recommendation to students who are preparing for NEET examination is that work on the questions which are slightly tricky and the concepts are hidden. Okay, they're not straightforward. These should be very short questions, and these should be questions and attempt reasoning and assertion. I think that brings a lot of clarity on the concepts. The reasoning and the assertion is one type of question that helps you a lot in developing a strong concept, and that you can apply for your NEET questions. Generally, the NEET questions, people have a myth that they are based on the formula. Okay, none of the questions of NEET is actually based on formula. There is a small amount of uh, concept which is there in every NEET question. So NEET questions are not easy. Okay, only when the NEET paper is out and you don't have a time limit, the NEET paper appears to be simple. But when you are inside the exam room, the same question becomes difficult because NEET exam is actually not testing you for formula learning. It is testing you only for the basic concepts, okay, and sometimes medium level complexity. So I will give you some tips. Put a lot of effort in mechanics. Okay, that is one very important topic for the NEET examination. The second topic you need to focus on is the chapter of current and electricity. Repeatedly, I have seen that mechanics, which is the Newton's law, momentum, impulse, and the questions on uh, collisions, coefficient of restitution, law of conservation of energy, work power energy. Okay, so I treat work power energy as also part of overall mechanics. Mechanics is a key focus in NEET examination. Most of the time, students are not able to solve mechanics questions. So do a lot of questions on mechanics. The second important topic I told you is current electricity. Even the circuit analysis, which you are able to do very easily for class 12th, you will find that the questions in the NEET examination are tricky. They are not straightforward. So I will continue to talk about what to expect in NEET examination, but key takeaways for you. Focus on conceptual questions first, then do a lot of practice. Use reasoning assertion questions to strengthen your concepts. As far as the focus of the chapter goes, which you're preparing, keep a very high focus on mechanics and current and electricities to start with. These are two difficult chapters which students find difficult to tackle. Okay, so you have to spend more time on these two chapters, lengthy chapters and highly conceptual chapters. So I hope you like this video and the tips I'm giving you. I will keep on talking about what to expect in JEE Mains, what to expect in CBSE, and how to prepare for these examinations in the coming weeks. So keep tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it for the valuable tips. My channel already has around 3,000 videos on concepts pertaining to physics, and some maths videos are also there. A very important playlist I have is that of vector. So when you do mechanics, you should be very strong in the knowledge of vectors. That's another additional input I would like to give you. So wait for my next video and let's meet shortly to discuss what can you expect in the upcoming examination. Thank you very much.